Hello, meet John. John is the CEO of an IT organization and decided the future cloud strategy for his company. He needs to improve overall productivity of IT operations and take cloud advantages like high implementation speed, information access at any time from anywhere, cloud, data center, storage, network, database and container. John knows that legacy migration is not so easy. John is worried about the problems like decision-making and gap analysis, cost management, automation and orchestration, one platform for public and private cloud. John found one solution for his problem: one platform that migrates his cloud to another cloud. Take control with Click2Cloud Cloud Brain platform, where it provides him with great features like comparison and cloud selection, migration solutions, predictive analysis, cost and budget management. The third general announcement of cloud solutions specific to China's largest public cloud service provider, Alibaba Cloud. Click2Cloud family is delighted to share the release notes about Click2Cloud's multi-cloud management platform for Alibaba Cloud. This platform provides with ease use and adding of cloud provider account, which helps boost business revenue, business applications, workloads, critical databases, servers, applications, VMs, load balancers to your cloud infrastructure. Click2Cloud Cloud Management Platform has more efficient IT staff operations, downtime, applications delivery and so forth. It provides you with cost savings and productivity enhancement from cloud migration, where it saves software cost, labor cost, maintenance cost, infrastructure cost. This can save total cost of ownership over 62% a year by moving your infrastructure to Alibaba Cloud. Let us see how Click2Cloud's Cloud Brain helps enterprises to boost their business with its great features. Cloud Brain offers a unified level for multi-cloud management platform and has created a level playing choice for its customers. Cloud Brain makes easy for its customers to analyze the comparison between multi-cloud providers over one single heterogeneous platform. Customers often wants to keep the systematic review of their data usage. Hence Click2Cloud Cloud Brain offers you with its great monitoring feature, where one can keep the record of overall CPU usage, total network usage, migrate workloads from different platforms like on-premise, private or public clouds in real time and without stopping production. The solution provides consistent replication from any source to any target platform. Click2Cloud Cloud Brain offers you with cloud, virtual, database, storage, physical to cloud, virtual to virtual and infra-migration scenarios. Cloud Brain topology will provide you with a graphical representation of all the VMs, which specifies the easy understanding of availability zones, tenants. Most customers had hard times to understand the billing. Click2Cloud's Cost Manager provides rich cost visualization to understand the cost and billing in a better way. Billing helps you to know about the cost of compute, network and storage for multiple cloud accounts. User can containerize source code in few hassle-free steps, which helps to reduce the deployment efforts. It is user-friendly. This feature of Cloud Brain support 50+ builder images. Orchestration helps business to accelerate the delivery of cloud infrastructure by managing the cloud resources. It also allows user to create, update and delete the cloud resources. Cloud Brain provides John a complete analysis about resources consumption for different clouds, provides comparison and best 3 offers, overall CPU usage, present and past migration analysis, and overall monthly cost. John can manage his ongoing cloud operations and its resources effectively with Click2Cloud's Cloud Brain and can take appropriate decision to scale the business. Finally, John is happy to find one platform to solve his all cloud-related problems. For more details, please contact us at mailidcontact@click2cloud.net. Thank you so much for watching the video.